Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Google Chrome crashing after a little while whenever you have it opened. So what you're going to do is click the address bar and then type chrome colon slash extensions, then another slash. Click enter and it will redirect you to this page, and you should remove all the extensions. This particular extension is very safe, and if you trust it, you can just disable it for a while and check if it still crashes your Google Chrome. And then moreover, you should also click these three dots, go to settings, and then under privacy and security, click delete browsing data. So here you can choose like whether in the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours. So actually the longer the better. And you can also click show more and more settings over here. So for example, I just want the last 24 hours, delete from device. And there you have it. So by disabling the extensions and deleting the cookies, cache, and browsing data, Google Chrome will less likely to crash because it frees up space and it doesn't have like unnecessary extensions that might prevent Google Chrome from working smoothly. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.